Hey friends, it's Coach Tara, and a couple months ago I posted this mobility sequence just as a follow-along. Today what I'm going to do is give you a little bit more detailed instruction so you get more bang from your buck on each movement. So you're going to start on your knees. You're going to press your shins into the floor, squeeze your knees towards each other, your glutes are tight and your abdominals are strong, chest is open. Take the arms out to the side. You're going to make a C curve with your body. So drop the chin and push your spine back, back of the hands towards each other. Then open the arms up, palms up. Keep the elbows where they are, bend the elbows so your hands are behind your head. And keep opening the elbows with your back. You're going to rotate to the right from your back. So I don't want to see this arm coming forward. Think of pressing through your left knee and rotate. Now push your hips forward and reach your right arm towards your right foot. Now wherever you go, that's where you go. If you can reach the ground, that's fine. If not, just go what feels comfortable. Push through the knees, squeeze your inner thighs together, and back to the center. Rotate to the other side. Press your hips forward. And squeeze and come up. Arms come overhead. Circle them back as you sit your hips back onto your heel. Arms circle overhead. Walk your body to the right knee. Now I don't want you to walk so far over that you really torque your spine. Keep it more in line with the knee. So you're over towards your right knee, reach out with that left arm. You can even lift it off the floor if you would like to get a little more stretch. And then walk to the left knee and reach out with that right arm. Come back to the center, circle the arms to the heels, tuck your chin, draw your navel up, roll it up. Cross your arms on your chest. Now again, set up your alignment. Your abdominals, your butt, and your knees are squeezing towards each other. You're going to hinge back, all in one piece. So I don't want the head to go back and the ribs to pop out. Everything stays connected. Your abdominals are connected from your pubic bone to your rib basket. Push through the knees and come up, and arms down. Now I'm going to show the whole thing from the side view. So C curve. Press the spine back. Open the arms as you come up. Hands behind the head, elbows open. Rotate, push through that left knee. Press your right hip forward as you reach for the ground. And come up with connection. Rotate to the other side and reach. And come back up. Arms overhead, sit your hips back to your heels. Rotate the arms over your head, circle them over. Reach towards your right leg and reach the left arm out. And then come over towards your left leg and reach that right arm out. Come back to the center, circle your arms back to your heels, tuck your chin, draw your navel up, roll it up. Find your connection, cross the hands on the chest, hinge back, press through the shins to come back up, and you're ready to begin again. Have fun with it.